Indian Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle will launch Cartosat-2 series satellite, with 30 nano satellites on June 23. What is Cartosat-2 satellite? What is its significance? What are the differences among geostationary orbit, geosynchronous orbit and sun-synchronous orbit? GS Paper 3, Science and Technology, Indigenization of Technology and Developing New Technology. What is the context about? India's Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, PSLV, will launch Cartosat-2 series satellite along with 30 co-passenger satellites, from Sriharikota in Andhra Pradesh on the 23rd of June. PSLV C-38 will launch the 712 kg Cartosat-2 series satellite for Earth observation, and 30 co-passenger satellites together, weighing about 243 kg at liftoff. They will be launched into a 505 km polar sun-synchronous orbit. 29 international customer nano satellites from 14 countries. The co-passenger satellites comprise 29 nano satellites from 14 countries: Austria, Belgium, Chile, Czech Republic, Finland, France, Germany, Italy, Japan, Latvia, Lithuania, Slovakia, the United Kingdom and the United States of America, besides a nano satellite from India. What is Cartosat-2 satellite? Cartosat-2 is an Earth observation satellite in a sun-synchronous orbit and the second of the Cartosat series of satellites. The mission life of the Cartosat satellite is about 5 years. Cartosat-2 is a remote sensing satellite and it is similar in configuration to earlier satellites in the series with the objective of providing high-resolution scene-specific spot imagery. What is the significance of Cartosat-2 satellite? Cartosat-2 carries a state-of-the-art pan-chromatic camera that can take black and white pictures of the Earth in the visible region of the electromagnetic spectrum. The images sent by Cartosat satellite will be useful for cartographic, urban, rural, coastal land use, water distribution and other applications. It can be used for creation of land use maps, change detection to bring out geographical and man-made features, and various other land information system (LIS) and geographical information system (GIS) applications. What is geostationary orbit? If the satellite is moving in the circular equatorial orbit and its angular velocity is equal to Earth's angular velocity, the satellite is said to be moving along with the Earth. This satellite would appear stationary from the Earth and this orbit would be called geostationary orbit. What is geosynchronous orbit? Sometimes we send a satellite in the space which though has a period of revolution is equal to period of rotation of Earth, but its orbit is neither equatorial nor circular. So, this satellite will finish one revolution around the Earth in exactly 1 day, that is 23 hours, 56 minutes and 4.1 seconds, yet it does not appear stationary from the Earth. It looks oscillating but not stationary, and that is why it is called geosynchronous. What is sun-synchronous orbit? A sun-synchronous orbit is one that lies in a plane that maintains a fixed angle with respect to the Earth-Sun direction. In other words, it combines altitude and inclination in such a way that an object on that orbit ascends or descends over any given point of the Earth's surface, at the same local mean solar time. Features of sun-synchronous orbits. The satellite passes over a given location on Earth every time at the same local solar time. Thus, it guarantees the same illumination condition, which varies only with seasons. The orbit is quasi-polar in nature and so ensures coverage of the whole surface of the Earth.